So apart from using this for your cows, you can also store them for future use as manure. Because I've told you guys, we're also preparing for the farming season, for the planting season. So this one can be used for manure. So let's go as I take you along. Let's see how we have so many maize. Is it so many maize? Yeah, we have so much maize, and they're just I'm going to show you. Now you can take a look around. So I'm going to show you. This one I'll either boil it or roast it because it's still fresh. This one I should have thrown in the shamba. I'll just have it here. So guys, this is generally the maize that I am airing. I'll just pour it here. And we use this, we call it oderu, to carry the maize. This is our traditional, it's a tray, but a traditional tray. We call it oderu. We just use cow dung to make it and smear around to make it look nice again. Then, this is the second batch that I've removed. You can hear the sound. This is a bit dry. Just a few more airing and we'll be grinding it to use it for ugali, right? Then I'm using this adita. This is called adita in my mother tongue to help me carry the maize and air it out. Then I'll just pour it here. So I'm just spreading it so that it dries properly. Just like that. Just like that. Then still airing it. So you can see the different type of maize we have. This one is the rachich. Then this one is the nyamula that I had shown you. This is also airing here. It's almost dry also. So after it's properly dry, you can sell it if you want to sell it to some people who don't have this type of maize. Or you can just keep it in your house for food security. And also, you can grind it, make ugali. What more can you make with the flour? Just that. And so guys, basically in Africa we have different types of maize. There's this one mixed. This is how it looks. In my mother tongue we call this rachich. Then we have this red one. Is it red or maroon? This is how it looks. I don't know how we call this in my mother tongue, but I've seen it since I've grown. This one we call it nyamula. This is the yellow maize. At least I know that one in English. It's yellow maize. Then we have this one, the white one now. So in case you know any of these names in English, so after grinding them, this is how the maize looks like. Remember I told you this is the yellow maize. This is how the cob will look like. And for the white one also, this is how the cob will look like. Then for the rachich, this is how it will look like. It's actually pretty. It's a nice purple. Then this one is for the red maize that I had shown you. This is how it will look like. So after airing them to dry, you will remove them from the from the maize cob. Then that's when you'll air them out so that they dry properly. And that is when you are ready to eat them. So far, we've only managed to do the two types of maize. This one, the nyamula is this one, the, the yellow one. Then the rachich. So the rachich, we've aired it here, this side. The rachich is aired on this side. Then the nyamula, we've aired it on this side. We don't want to mix them because they're two different types of maize. So after they're properly dried, you can grind them and use them as maize flour to cook ugali, which is a very staple food in most African homes generally. Or you can keep them in stores and sell them to get you some income. So thank you guys for always staying tuned. We have actually hit 1,000 subscribers. We are on to 2,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. And just like, share, and subscribe. So guys, thank you so much for